Hello everyone, today we are excited to introduce Toyo's LM6 multi-slider linear motor module. The LM6 features a shaft rod linear motor design with low friction, high precision, and zero maintenance. At its core, it uses a coreless linear motor drive, which eliminates cogging, making it ideal for line scanning and fly inspection applications. Compared to standard modules, the LM6 is much more compact. Thanks to its slim mover design, it greatly reduces the overall module length in multi-mover setups, achieving higher space efficiency. With its small mover size, the LM6 can host multiple movers on the same module length, allowing you to easily build multiple independent workstations. This makes it perfect for high-speed pick and place, precision, insertion, accurate image, positioning, vision, inspection, and laser processing. In this application, the LM6 is cleverly used as the Y-axis, combined with the LGF-15 iron core linear motor module as the X1 and X2 axes, delivering powerful thrust to drive a gantry platform with synchronized motion. By integrating our in-house CSG stepper electric cylinder for the Z-axis lift, you can instantly create a high-precision, multi-station platform for inspection and pick-and-place operations. The LM6 compact, versatile, and built for advanced automation.